So stem guitar, we are getting ready to do the first pass of the electronics pocket. We have it hogged out. We have our acrylic template screwed down with some wood screws. And now we're about ready to take the router, and we have the router set to about 3/4 of an inch. Now this acrylic template is about 3/8 of an inch, so that means we are routering about 3/8 of an inch in our first pass. And we're going to go slow around the insides, and then we're going to work our way out to the acrylic template. So here we go. So you'll notice that instructor Steven Weber went in a counterclockwise direction with the router. So that's one rule we always do. The second rule we always do is we never take more than 3/8 of an inch in a pass. Or the other rule is never take more than half the diameter of the router bit. So you can see right now we are down and we got an edge going down. We're going to then move our router bit down another 3/8 of an inch and take a second pass and then a third pass and etc. until we get down to the bottom, which is the we will not use a bearing bit for the bottom pass.